Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen channel. Let's learn how to make these soft and easy mini donuts. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a bowl, you're going to add 450 grams of sugar, a drop of vanilla essence, pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, some nutmeg optional, and 450 grams of butter or margarine. Using a hand mixer, you're going to mix until everything is nicely mixed. So we'll go ahead and add our eggs. Add 5 medium large eggs, but if your eggs are too small, you're going to put 6 eggs. Add 1 egg at a time and mix until everything is nicely well cooperated. So I'm going to give you a secret. So basically the secret to make the donuts to become more softer, the quantity of margarine, sugar and flour has to be the same, and then the eggs has to be a half of the other ingredients. Don't forget that. Moving on with our recipe, I'm going to put the main ingredient to this recipe, which is the flour. I'm going to add 450 to 500 grams of self-rising flour. Self-rising flour is a flour which contains baking powder already. Pour the flour or add the flour gradually while mixing using a spatula. And lastly, you're going to pour 1¼ cup of milk. Pour the milk gradually while mixing using a hand mixer until everything is nicely well cooperated. Your batter consistency should be like this. Then divide the batter into two. In one of the batter, you'll add 1 teaspoon of chocolate powder because I would like my donuts to have 2 different color, chocolate and plain one, as you can able to see in the video. Meanwhile here, our donut machine maker is already hot. To purchase this donut maker, you can able to purchase it from Amazon if you're living in Europe or in America. But if you're from East Africa, you can able to purchase this machine from the electronic. Like this lady lives in Dar es Salaam, Kinondoni, and she delivers everywhere in East Africa. You can purchase any electronic from her and she delivers anywhere in East Africa. So you can able to see I have 2 techniques on making these donuts. You can able to put the batter in a plastic paper bag, or you can use this plastic bottle, as you can able to see in the video. Put the batter in the machine, then cover the machine and let the donuts to cook until you get the color you desire. So when purchasing these donut maker, some of the machine they'll automatically open themselves, or they have a light so you can able to see if the donuts are ready. But some of the machine you'll have to recheck them manually, and once ready like this, then your donuts are ready, and repeat the same process until you're done with the whole batter. And our soft mini donuts are ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my god, like look how cute these donuts are. These are best for the kids, and you can able to decorate them with some chocolate or some Nutella or anything. I'm going to cut one of the donuts so you can able to see how super soft the donut is. Oh my goodness. You can serve along with some hot chocolate, some hot tea or anything that you like, and enjoy your donut. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others. And see you next time. Bye bye.